Hi, my name is Michael Ross, and I am in MAR 4824, and I'm going to be doing an analyzation of the Cigar City Brewing, the data on this spreadsheet. So to start, we will look at a bar chart showing the average rating for the beer styles. Um, as you can see, the American IPA has the highest rating of 67,955, and this is in descending order, by the way, as you can tell. And to look at the lowest one, it's going to be the German Keller beer. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it only has a rating of 4. So you can see the massive difference there. All right, moving on, we'll look at a scatter plot showing the average ABV against the average rating for the beer styles. And we have the ABV on the side here and the rating down here at the bottom. And you can see up here that the average ABV is 612,647. And the rating, the average rating is 315,791. So you can see that the ABV obviously has a higher rating. We'll move on here to a tree map. I thought the tree map was pretty interesting. I had never used one before, but this tree map shows the number of reviews made by each reviewer, and I used the reviewers that had 200 or more records. So you can see that Ray UFO 7 has the lowest with 200 records, and his rating is 790. And we'll move on here. Kyle Hay 2004. He has 212 records with a rating of 864.9. And here we have CJ Gator 3. He has 217 records with a 876.3 rating. Macrosmatic, yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it, has 222 records with 888.4 rating. Jason CS, 235 records, 963.7 rating. And yeah, now we have Bartos, who's got 263 records with 1,062.6 rating. So it's going up a lot from Jason. Moving on, we got Lair 453, 295 records with 1,118.2 rating. And the highest we have is Beer Nads. He's got the most records with 335, and the highest rating with 1,227.9. I thought this was a good way of showing the differences in all these reviewers. It's pretty easy to navigate. Now we'll move to the dashboard, which just kind of shows everything together. Here we have the bar chart, scatter plot, the tree map. You scroll down, you can see everything and navigate it all from one sheet. So you can see it's interactive. You can click on everything. Here's the bar chart with the highest being American IPA, the average scatter plot for the ABV and the rating, and the tree map, which I just went over in the last section. So yeah, that'll do it for the analyzation. Thank you.